Today we are going to analyze natural gas and crude oil for 27 July, Thursday. If you can see, this is the daily chart of natural gas. You can see it is holding at this particular higher level. We actually had a breakout, then it came down, then again it moved up, and it is holding this level. So today it would be actually a pretty easy day. Uh, so we have a range here. So whichever side it opens and breaks, we could trade that particular range. But the probability would be good if it breaks out higher, because we are selling here. If it was selling only this at this point only, it would have continued and moved lower. So this made a U-turn and price almost as 235. That is almost near of this way. So we are a little bit bullish. If we get a gap up, that would be great. In the second half, if it is breaking this range, then we can take a trade. So even this is traveling in parallel channel. You can see this is 15 minutes. It is traveling in the channel. So at this lower end yesterday we got some buying happening, but as this is selling, and we had a selling here, now we are getting selling from this one. So if we open flat to cap up and trades in this range till let's say 3-4 hours, and then make some triangle pattern or something, and then breaks this trend line, we can easily get a target at least till 20 to 25. 225. If it breaks even that, the target would be around 228. So if we get a gap down, let's say below 218, 218, 219, then we'll be looking for a downside trade. Until then, we'll be looking for upside trade. This is on our chart, but here the price actually closed around 21.50, around this one. This is not filled, so this chart is not correct. Same with this channel. If it holds here and then breaks, we'll get a trade. If it holds here and breaks this level, trade with half quantity and breaks this 24 level, we'll be trading with full quantity to target of 26 to 25.50, 60 paise, and the second target of 228. That's it for natural gas. So in weekly also it is trying to make a beautiful inside candle. So if it makes the same size of candle, this one we are buying, we are selling, it just retraced from 40-50% of this trend. That's good. So if it makes inside candle, and in the next week we can see whichever side it is breaking, we can take a trade on that side. So if it goes higher, then it will be easier for us. We could trade for higher level. For next week it might, if it is trading high, if it breaks this week's high and trades higher, then this all weeks it might try to close above all these weeks in the coming weeks, that is next week. So we are selling here. So this selling, this was the selling, that's the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time. So the next week it might close higher. So if you see crude oil is actually moving higher day by day. So this was the resistance point we had discussed previously around this level and this level, 6,550 level. So on this day we had discussed that we would try to get the target of 550 level. So the next day we almost got a target of 550, 537. So yesterday it reversed from that 560 levels. No issues. So this is completely bullish. This is the first negative. It might retrace a little bit more also, and then again it might move, or else if we get a gap up today only, it might try to close above all these levels. So if you see, this is in a complete range. So if we get a gap up, let's say above 6,500, and it trades here in this particular range only without actually going to this lower range, and holds this higher range until afternoon, and then breaks this level, then we might get a upside. If it opens a little bit gap down or flat and breaks this particular trend line, then we can take a trade till the target for 44,440, 450 levels. So downside target is not that much, because for every downside target there is some sort of support. So this will act as a support. So if it breaks here, the first target would be around 44, for 6,435, for 6,440, or else 6,420. That would be the second target. So if it directly opens here and the first 15 minutes candle is a green candle, then we can take a target till 6,460. So if we can avoid today, you can avoid, because this area would be a volatile region. If it is a gap up or flat, we can avoid this market also. Let it close in some direction. The next day we can see if it trades lower or higher. So the best would be if we get a gap up, then it might break these levels. If it is a flat or slightly gap down breaking this trend, then we can take a trade till this day's low or this point. If it directly opens at this particular day's low and first day is a green candle, first 15 minutes is a green candle, then we can take a trade for that particular candle high to be taken. When that particular candle size is taken, we can take a trade. That's it. Thank you.